Guys, how are you? I'm Jimmy Joel by the name, the mechanics. So today I have the Ford F-150. The F-150 has some issues. So when you start, it's crank but not start, not running. On crank, continuous crank. So most of this car, F-150 2004, 8, 12, it has the fuses. So when you start the engine and the car is not start, you have to first of all you check you have the fuel. The fuel is coming to the cylinder. If so, you have to check also the pump. Pump is running. If pump is not running, you have to come here to the fuse. Come. So we have the. This is a relay, and this is the fuse. So you come to for the pump so that the pump can running, and that means having power. You have to go to the fuse number 27. Here, if you check to fuse number 27, 27 is here. So you come direct to this fuse, this number 30. This is number 27 fuse. So you plug it out, you check if it's worn out or it's good, and then if the fuse is good, you check the relay for the pump. It's number 8. So you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one. If all okay, that's still the same issue. You have to come and check the pump. If it's not running, the pump receives the power from the fuse number 27 and deliver to the control module. If the control module it doesn't have the power, that means the control module is the issue. And what I'm talking about this is the control module for the pump. Yeah. So you have to check also the wire, and if all the wire connected or broken or any situation that's really, yeah. And the good thing is, don't get tired, because you get tired, you will not figure out what is going on. So come here. So I already removed this, and I did a bypass. Yeah, I did the bypass. You know, the wire was already worn out. See, I did the bypass by, this is a ground. So I tested the power that I have a ground, and this wire was already broken. So I just test this one. After this, to test this, you need to start, like to start the engine. After you start with the tester, you will know that the power is coming. Switch on to the tester, the power will come. Then so you will see the light. If you have the multimeter, you will see the 12 volts coming from here. So at this situation, that means the pump will run. Yeah, after bypassing this and this ground and power. Yep. So now is to put back the new control module. Boom, and fix this wire worn out and this connector, and the car will be running. Yes, thank you very much. And this is the overview explanation concerning with the crank and no starts for the Ford F-150. Thank you very much.